Hello everyone, myself Monica, Department of Microbiology, DNR College, Beamer. Today I want to discuss about DNA as a genetic material. We already know about DNA as a deoxyribonucleic acid. It is a hereditary one which is mainly present in all the living organisms. Coming to the genetic material mainly present inside the cell. It contains DNA, RNA and proteins. It also plays an important role to determine the structure and nature of cell substances and capable of self-propagating. Coming to the Griffith experiment, so many scientists perform to prove DNA as the genetic material. Here I would like to share the two experiments to prove the DNA as the genetic material. The first one is the Griffith experiment. Griffith experiment was held in 1928 by Frederick Griffith. Frederick Griffith was the first scientist to perform DNA as the genetic material. Here Griffith used Streptococcus pneumoniae bacteria which causes pneumonia. And he also used two strains. One is the rough one and the one is the smooth one. So smooth strain is also a virulent strain. Virulent means it's a pathogenic. It can cause disease. Next one, rough strain. Rough strain is non-virulent. It's a non-pathogenic. It does not cause any disease. Here Griffith chose two strains, one S3 and R2. By using these two strains, Griffith started his experiment. Here he used S3 strain injected into mice die. Why the mice die means here they used S3 strain. S3 strain means it's a virulent strain. That's why mice die. Next one he used R2 strain injected into mice life. Why? Because R2 strain means non-pathogenic. It does not cause any disease. That's why mice life. Next one is the heat kill S3 strain injected into mice. Here mice life. Here Griffith used heat kill S3 strain. Here he did not use live S3. He used heat killed. So that's why mice live. So next one is the heat kill S3 strain plus R2 strain. He combined these two strains and injected into mice die. Here Y means here heat kill S2 strain was transformed. Something was transformed from R2 strain. That's why mice die. This is the diagrammatic representation of the Griffith experiment. Coming to the observation, here Griffith observed S3 strain in die mice. Y means here something was transformed from heat kill S3 strain to R2 strain. So that's why here mice die. Finally, the conclusion of the experiment was Griffith told about this experiment. Something was transformed from heat kill S strain to R strain. So he named as a transforming principle. He did not give the correct conclusion. So after few years later, three scientists, Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy, started his experiment in 1944. In 1944, Avery, MacLeod, McCarthy started his experiment to continue the Griffith experiment by using three enzymes. What are the three enzymes? Is DNase, RNase and protease. By using three enzymes, Avery, MacLeod, McCarthy continued the Griffith experiment. He did not start the fresh experiment. Just he used basics of the Griffith experiment and he continued. These three scientists continued the experiment. So this was the experiment. So coming to the experiment, heat kill S strain plus R strain plus RNase. So here the three scientists gave RNase enzyme. So RNase enzyme, the main role of RNase enzyme was RNase enzyme break down or degrade the RNase. Here after giving the RNase enzyme, transformation was occur. So here RNase degrade the RNA but transformation was occur. Here scientists was decided that RNA is not the genetic material. Why means here he gave RNase but transformation was occur. That's why he decided so RNA is not a genetic material. Next one he gave the protease enzyme. So protease degrades the protein. Next he gave the protease enzyme, but here transformation was occurred. So that's why again here protease enzyme degrades or break down the protein. Again transformation occurs, mice die. So that's why the scientist was decided that protein is not a genetic material. So finally DNase. So these three scientists gave DNase enzyme. DNase break down the DNA or degrade the DNA. Here transformation was stopped. So here the miracle was RNase and protease is not the genetic material. So here the three scientists gave RNase and protease enzyme, transformation occur. But here DNase, he gave DNase enzyme. DNase breakdown or degrades the DNA, transformation was stopped, mice lab. So here the transforming principle or transforming one was DNA. And this was the diagrammatic representation of this experiment. Coming to the observation and conclusion, here protease and RNase did not affect the transforming of R string, but finally DNase only inhibit the transformation of R string. So by these three scientists, Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy, so proved that DNA is the genetic material. So here protein and RNA is not the genetic material, only the DNA is the genetic material. They prove Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy, the three scientists was proved DNA is the genetic material. This is about DNA is the genetic material. Griffith and Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy experiment. Thank you.